Today I'm going to teach you how to fill a hole in your subfloor. This is more out of necessity because we have new flooring coming in that's being installed in the next couple of weeks, so we need to patch those holes and make sure that the whole subfloor is good to go before those floors get installed. Plus, it's in the middle of the room, so we're really just asking for trouble with the holes not being filled. So why are the holes there? Well, there are a number of reasons why there may be holes in your floor. For us, this is actually where a wall used to be that we demoed, which is why you could see carpet and hardwood floors.
Here's what you need for this project: a drill, hammer, a pencil, wood, plywood, a circular saw, a knife, screwdriver, crowbar, and 2.5-inch construction screws. First, we need to take out the flooring around the holes. We're going to start with the carpet and the padding underneath. For now, I'm only going to remove the section that we need to for this project. The rest will be coming out next week. Next, we move to the wood on the other side. I didn't get enough out with the first 2 planks, so I'm going to use a circular saw to cut clean lines for the last plank. I then measure my plywood to fit the holes. And cut them using a miter saw. You could also do this by hand. For the wood pieces, I used extra pieces of 2x4s that we had in the garage, but you really just need sturdy, long wood. I cut them so there was enough room to drill into them on each side of the hole. When prepping the area, I put the wood plank into the hole to see where I would position my screws. Then I drilled the screws just enough so that they were firmly above the subfloor. This made it easier to screw them in and hold the wood. If you have a clamp, use it. I was just too lazy to go get it. It would have made my life a whole lot easier. Then I put 2 screws on each side of the wood and continue to do the same thing so that each hole is supported on both sides. Take those pieces of plywood and screw them in. Don't you just love it when they fit on the first try? Let's slow it down for those just tuning in.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like and subscribe below. Make sure that you comment and let me know of any additional new projects that you want me to do, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.